Good morning, this is Wayne Mary, and I'll be taking you on a tour today of our Warranty Tracker app. Let's start at the beginning. The app was developed to actually track the real miles of vehicles that owners have. It could not only be a vehicle, it could also be a boat or an RV or a motorsport product. So this app, even though it's B2C, it also is mirrored B2B, meaning business to the dealership that has the warranty. So let's go into the app. So the app will open here. It'll be private labeled, by the way, for that dealership, white labeled as they call it. And that dealership can basically put any type of suggested ad in any month. We load it for them, so they might want to promote, buy 3 tires, get 1 free. That's in here. Shows up every time that the app is opened by a subscriber. Let's close that. These are the categories. The category is auto maintenance, my schedule. People like this because they want to know the fact that, what am I looking at next time I come in here? Or, hey, I think I need service. All of this is here, so they can easily go in and hit the highlighted green hyperlinks that will take them to find out exactly what needs to be done. And in some situations, it even tells them what needs to be done at a certain price. Well, let's go backwards for a second. Okay, my schedule, that's another thing. That tells you what you're going to be looking at to have done. Coupon alerting is in here. We first started out, this app was about people loading in their coupons, and we would count down the expiration date and give them push alerts before the coupon expired. But what we found out was that the biggest savings was in the warranties of automobiles. So that's why we moved away from coupons, even though you can still put them in here, and we started to put other elements in here, like your auto insurance, personal insurance. There's mine. I'm with Geico, so you'll see that come up. And if you're in a situation where the police department or the officer wants to see it, you can easily pull it up. Auto insurance. I'm going to come back to parts tracker. Roadside assistance. Roadside assistance is, there's your VIN number. If you break down somewhere, you can actually put in attachments there. They're going to need to know your location, and everything is under one particular category, so it's quick and fast to get there. Okay. Service valet. We're finding that a lot of OEMs are now mandating that the dealerships have valet services. So we have just added this, and it allows for booking a shuttle. And this one is for the Lyft ride. That's the preferred vendor for concierge and valet service of this particular dealership. And this is kind of cool. It actually shows the driver and tells them what they're driving. I'm going to go back. All right, Easy Pay. This just allows them to approve the work that's been quoted and then also pay online. It's a seamless transaction between the back end of the dealership's checkout. Unlock and unlock. Now, people have asked me, other companies have this. They do, so we allow them to put this information in there. FordPass is the one that is a good one. So instead of looking and trying to find the app through all those apps, I think the average person has over 40 some odd apps on there. It's all under one roof in our app that they can go there and sign in and use the FordPass. These type of apps are more for general marketing. They're always using the app to promote a product or a service as well as book an appointment. We find that they're not that precise, and they don't leave a lot of room for the customer to be able to make the schedules. That's why a lot of these fixed ops have contacted call centers to do this, which is another issue that we forgo all this and make it a lot easier just for them to book that appointment online. Recalls, well, we all know what a recall is. So I put one in here, recalls, all. All right, so every time you get a recall, you need to report it, put it in here. I don't know, I was working in the lane. A lot of people came in. Hey, I got a recall notice, but I can't find it. Well, if you put it in here, then you just can easily go to it. Here's the file below, and here's the hyperlink for the repair. All right, the main reason why we had this is the warranty alerting. Now, I've got auto in here, other warranties, appliances, ATVs, electronics, home appliances, trailer batteries, as you can see. All right, so let's go into AutoOne. AutoOne tells you what the product is, gives you the customer warranty phone number here, which is hyperlinked as well. Anything that's green is hyperlinked and goes directly to that link, making it fast. So we have start date, end date of the warranty. We have the VIN in there. We have the mileage limit, 36,000 miles if it's a Ford. 3 years. Current mileage is 11,502. Radio code. It was updated at this January 8th, 2022. And they can make their appointment right there, as I pointed out. And they can add whatever they want in here. Now I'm going to hit the file that I've put in here already in existence. There's the work order. This is really handy if you're having a repetitive problem, because they're going to say, well, we can't find it. Or that wasn't done at this location. It was done in another location, could be even in another city. So this is very, very helpful. You need records. Today, you need records. So we're going to go back. And I'm going to show you how to make an edit. We send out push alerts. These push alerts asked the particular subscriber to go and update their mileage. This is very similar. State Farm does it. Geico does it. About every 6 months, you get a push alert that says, hey, update your information. And this is how you do it. We send them a push alert, and we use the edit pencil. Come down here. I'm gonna add a mile here. Okay. Now you come down to the bottom. It's going to have save. I've saved it. It tells you it's saved, and you also get an email that says this has been done. Now, do you want to share? A lot of people really like this. And maybe their wife or one of their kids is at another location, another city, going to college, and they can share this information. And I'm going to hit share here. And here's all the people that I have in my share list that I might need. And it can also be the advisor. Say, listen, I can send this information to you. If you're standing in the lane, or you're standing in the office there, or you're at home, you said, let me send this to you. So I'm going to send it to Janie, and then when I hit the button, you're going to see at the bottom that it will say successfully shared. So we hit Jane, we hit send, answer shared successfully. So that's how this app works. Once again, it is a B2C and B2B. You can basically, it's been tested at AutoNation in Jacksonville, Florida, and they like it, and then have also suggested it to other dealerships because it's a great marketing tool at this time. The easy thing to do here is have the customer have control and know and be informed of their vehicle and the warranty. Most people can't remember when they bought the vehicle car. They can't remember the mileage. They bought an extended warranty. Everything is in their hand in this app. So if you have any questions, please contact me. Glad to answer them. And thanks.